Learning about computers can be fun and accessible if you approach it step by step. Here's an easy way to get started. Start with the basics. Learn about the basic parts of a computer, like the CPU, RAM, hard drive, motherboard, etc. A computer is made up of several essential parts, each serving a specific function. Here's an overview of the basic parts of a computer. 1. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU, often called the brain of the computer, performs calculations and executes instructions. It processes data and runs programs. It also handles arithmetic and logical operations. 2. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the components of a computer. It houses the CPU, memory, and other essential components and allows them to communicate. It also manages data flow between the CPU, memory, and peripherals. 3. RAM, Random Access Memory, is temporary storage that holds data and programs currently being used by the CPU. It allows quick access to data, making the computer faster and more efficient. 4. Power Supply Unit, PSU. It converts electricity from an outlet into a usable form for the computer's internal components. It powers all the parts of the computer. 5. Input devices. Input devices allow users to interact with the computer. Examples: keyboard, used to enter text and commands. Mouse, a pointing device to navigate the graphical user interface. Others include touchscreens, scanners, microphones. 6. Output devices. Output devices display or output data from the computer. Examples: monitor, displays the visual output from the computer. Printer, produces a hard copy of digital documents. Speakers, output audio. These components work together to perform the various tasks a computer can execute, from simple calculations to complex processing. In the next class, I'll talk about the next step in order to make computer easy to learn. Do well to subscribe to this channel to be notified anytime I drop a video.